Hey everyone, hope you are well. Top 5 things to look out for while building a resume. Point number 1, describing work experience. Most of us go about writing tens of points and long paragraphs, but think from the point of view of the recruitment team who have to scan hundreds of applications, if not thousands sometimes, for each position. Your goal should be to help this recruitment team, and they will definitely help you back. For each experience on your resume, summarize in not more than 5 lines your core duties and responsibilities. Take not more than 2 to 3 lines to enunciate your key performance indicators for the position. Take another 2 lines to enunciate on your achievements on these KPIs and any other awards and recognitions won by you. Always follow the 3 C's of communication, that is crisp, clear and comprehensive. Ensure every line in your resume follow the same 3 C's and add value and provide information to the person reading it. Absolutely refrain from imparting gyan in your resume. A few examples can be mentioning your career objectives. Rather, add a career summary. What does your function, for instance business finance, mean? Rather, tell about your role in the business finance function. Instead of long paragraphs, mention precise key pointers everywhere. Point number 2, contact information. Don't go overboard and only use a single line for this. I have seen resumes where people give more than one email, more than one mobile numbers, landline, alternate number of references, include not more than one email and mobile. Why create a confusion for the recruitment team and rather increase your effort of checking multiple mailboxes? Include your LinkedIn profile, which must be an exact replica of your resume. This is important to ensure pristine consistency in the way you are showcasing your profile. Different information through different platforms only raise a red flag and bring to information the inadequacy of the candidate to clearly, precisely and consistently express their ways. Point number 3. Start your resume by adding one single liner each on key industries where you have worked for, key skills that you have acquired. Add another line to enunciate your current location and preferences for your location, current cost to company, enunciating key components of your overall CTC. Add one additional liner for extracurricular interest and skills. You will be surprised to know, but many a times your extracurricular serve as an icebreaker with the recruitment team if they share the same interest. Remember, we as human beings seek self-confirmation wherever we go, and we want to engage with people where there is an instant connection. If I talk about myself, irrespective of my skills, I know at the end of the interview that this is it. If I don't feel that mutual excitement to speak to each other or to speak to an interviewer or that mutual connect, I know I might not clear this round. Point number 4, format of your resume. Your resume should not be more than one pager for less than 7 years of experience. It can be up to a 2-page long for any number of experience above 7 years of experience. If you have worked at multiple companies and taken multiple roles, only mention experience which adds value. I would enunciate more on this in my next point. The importance of a format is to have your resume lighter on the eyes. When I'm reading your resume, it should be lighter on my eyes It should be easily readable. Basically, it should reduce the time and material for the recruitment team. Choose a light font which is easier on the eyes, but don't go overboard. Don't be very creative with it. Avoid cursive fonts and stuff like that. It must be professional and not too innovative. I personally use Century Gothic font with a line spacing of at least 1.5 and a narrow border. Point number 5. Relate to the job you want and not the job you have. As I mentioned before, if you have worked at multiple companies and taken multiple roles, only mention experience which adds value to the future role for which you are appearing. If you are appearing for a sales role, long paragraph on your business finance role adds little to no value. Even if you have worked in same function for multiple years, differentiate one job from another. Mention one big initiative you undertook in each company which was different from any other initiative you took anywhere else in any other company. This shows your ability to adapt, your ability to work strategically and not just operationally, and that you have grown horizontally within a vertical function and learned different aspects of doing your job function. For instance, if you have been in a sales function throughout your life, undertake one new strategic project in each company, which can include different ways of doing sales, like partnerships, outbound, integrations, inbound, account management, and so on. Lastly, the importance of keywords should not be neglected. Keywords play a key role in shortlisting your profile, particularly when a screening tool is used. Keywords also play a cardinal role when your resume is manually screened by the recruitment team. The more relevant keywords you have, the more are your chances of getting shortlisted. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.